Hey lovely people, I'm Yazan again. I'm here to show you a very simple recipe that I actually made once when I was super hungry and I woke up in the middle of the night. I had nothing other than a tin of red beans. So it's basically a red bean hummus. So it's very easy. You only need red beans from the can. You can use the can ones, nothing wrong with that. If you want to if you have a lot of time, you can soak the beans and boil them until they're cooked. And I'm using garlic, cumin, olive oil, tahini, or lemon. Only these are the ingredients. So as I said, you can I always say be your own chef. If you don't have red beans, you can use either chickpeas, you can either use black beans. I tried it, it was amazing. Shall we start? Okay, and we will add our red beans, tahini, and we will start blending. Now this time I have also just like 3-4 cubes of ice. I'm gonna add them. They will help in blending and making it more smooth. So I'll put some ice, and we can put also the garlic, the cumin, which is half teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt, you can always add more if you want. I'm gonna put a big pinch of sea salt, 2 big pinches, and let's blend. Now with this recipe I decided to make a salsa or pico de gallo, which is like a Mexican intake of a salad on top of the hummus, and I will show you the ingredients for that, and we will make it together and we will top it on top of the hummus. Finely chop 1 red onion. Cut the tomatoes in half and then cut them into quarters, and then remove the core from inside. Slice them into strips and then into fine cubes. Finally chop the za'atar leaves and chop the coriander or the parsley really fine. To make the dressing, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or red vinegar if it's available. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add a pinch of chili powder, a pinch of sumac, and a pinch of cumin. And squeeze a lemon. Add some sea salt to taste. Thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's all about making things easy and simple. As I said, you can be your own chef, use different beans, give it a shot and show me your results as well. Shall we taste? I think we should. So here is my red bean hummus with salsa.